Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick video on how to use a border punch because I know a few of you were struggling with that. Let me get these out of the way and I'll show you the best way to do it. Now when I first started with those, I didn't know what I was doing either. And my friend Michelle, Seaside Crafter, here on YouTube, showed me how to do it way back when. So I just have just a regular piece of scrap. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in the middle. You're going to put it in the middle and you're going to clamp down. All right? Now, it's your choice whether you want to go this way or you want to go that way. It's up to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to match, let's say we're going to push it this way. You're going to match this design to this so it fills all that in and you stamp again. I'll show you. So I stamped it. I'm going to move it now. And as soon as it lines up with this design, which is right like that, see, it just filled it all in. It's all filled in there. All the silver is filled in. Stamp again. You're going to do it again now. You're going to move it again. And you're going to wait for this one to line up. And you'll see it line up. You'll see it. It lines up perfectly. Stamp again. Line it up. Stamp again. And you always have a perfect thing. And a matter of fact, if you want to go this way, you do the same thing. So you go down this way. Let's see, and you see that it ends right there. So you're going to go back a little bit, and you're going to see, all right, it matches up there. Then you're going to go back, and now this image, you're going to make sure this part lines up. And then you're going to make sure this new image here lines up. And then I think I need a little bit more. I'm going to do this one line up right there. And there you go. That's how you do it. So if anyone has any questions, you can ask me, although you probably don't because it's, it's pretty easy to see. Because I had mentioned it in a comment, and I know it's hard to explain in a comment. It's better to show it. That's why I did this. So just match it up to that, pull a stamped image, pull it over, match it up, make sure it all lines up together with this, stamp again, and you'll be fine. Sometimes it takes a little practice. Sometimes, you might not get it right perfect until you line it up exactly, but as you keep doing it, you'll get better. So don't worry about that. But you should do fine with this method. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.